Here's a great little trick called the magic paddle. What I have here is my small little magic paddle with 1, 2, 3 little holes in it. I'm going to put the rod right up into the top hole like this. So as you can see, it's in that top hole on both sides. Now watch very carefully. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You'll notice the rod has now traveled into the middle hole. In fact, on both sides it's in the middle hole. Let me take that out. Here we go. I'll show you both sides here. I'm going to put it back in to that middle hole there. Okay, there it is, right in the middle. Of course, it's in the middle on both sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's now traveled right up into the bottom hole. And that's called the magic paddle. Here's the explanation for the magic paddle. Now you'll probably notice the paddle is actually gimmicked. What it has here, it's got 2 holes in it and 1 fake hole. On one side the fake hole is up the top, and on the other side the fake hole is down the bottom. Now let me show you the paddle move first of all. What I'm going to do here is, as I show the other side of this paddle, I'm going to give it a 180-degree flip like this. See that one there? As I show it, I'm going to flip it just like this. This is called the paddle move. It's used a lot in magic. So what I can do here, I can show the same side twice, and it appears that I've shown both sides of the paddle. So let's go through the whole routine from the beginning, just to see how it works. Alright, the first thing I did was show the paddle and put the rod right into the top hole just like that. You can use anything to put in here. You can use a toothpick, you can use like a bit of a pen, anything at all you can put in. So now I've got the little rod right through that hole there. Now, when I show the other side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that paddle move to make sure I show the same side twice. When it's sped up in real time, it looks like this. It's very effective. It looks like I'm showing you both sides, but in fact, I'm only showing you one side. So, how to make the little rod jump? All you've got to do is give it a 180-degree turn. Just show the other side, and it appears that it moves. It jumps a hole, when in fact, what I've got here, I've got my fake hole there, and it's the same hole right here. Now, to give this a little bit of misdirection, I just use my hand in front of it, just to give it a bit of a wave, to just get that misdirection happening there, so that I don't notice you're turning it 180 degrees. So, from here, in the routine here, we once again show both sides using a little paddle move there. Now we take out the little rod, put it on the table. Now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a paddle move, but when I come back down, I don't do any move at all. I'm actually going to show the other side. And once again, we're going to put it back into that hole there, into the middle. Here we go. We can show both sides again using the paddle move that's actually in the middle. And then all we do, we turn it, and you'll notice it jumps. It appears to jump the middle right up to the top. So therefore, in your audience mind, the rod has jumped from one to the middle, right up to the top hole. It's a great little trick, this one. It's worth the effort putting a little bit of practice in. That's called the magic paddle.